Local news for Monday the 20th of August. After 4.5 years of community-led effort, the Romahanga Whaitua Committee has presented its final recommendations to the Greater Wellington Regional Council, aimed at balancing the catchment, communities' aspirations for healthy, thriving streams, rivers and lakes, and continuing economic development within the region. Greater Wellington Chair Chris Laidlaw says the work of the Romahanga Whaitua Committee is pioneering stuff. Its members have blazed their own path and lit the way for others to follow. The Tika Uru Upper Romahanga Floodplain Management have 3 more drop-in dates for feedback. Processes for managing flooding and erosion through our river schemes have been in place for some time. The draft, however, takes a long-term view of the whole catchment. The dates are the 4th of September at Gladstone, 6th in Carterton and 8th in Masterton. And in sport, Wairarapa Bush have lost another pre-season game, this time at the hands of Manawatu Development, going down 31-7. The Hurricanes Heartland side, which features 10 local players, have won their opening match, though 12-3 over Manawatu.